Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 14 of our playlist JavaScript. Okay, so here we will learn equality operators. So we have two types of operator, double equals to and triple equals to. So we will see the difference between both. What's the difference? Okay, so let me write the code. Let me delete this. Okay, so we are going to learn about e- equality operators. Okay, suppose I have let a equals to 20. Okay, let b equals to 20. Okay. So can you tell me both are same or different? Like if I say if I check conditions, okay, previous video we discussed about ternary operator. So we will check condition using ternary operator. So here I will write a equals to b. Is it true or false? Just tell me whether it is true or not. A equals to b, is it true or not? So it is what? True. If it is true, then we will say alert a a is equal to b, right? Else we will say a a is not equal to b, right? These are the two conditions. Okay, so if this condition is true, means this only alert will execute. If this condition is false, so this only alert will execute. Okay, through the ternary operators we are learning equality operator. So what alert will execute? A is equal to b. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, let me refresh the page. So a is equal to b. Okay, that is fine. We already know this. Suppose if I say a a equals to 20 and b is equals to 20, but data type is different. What's the data type of b? Data type of b is 20, string. Okay, and data type of a is what? 20. Now check which result will come. Okay, what would be the result now? Which alert will execute? Okay, let me go here, browser. Let me refresh it. So what it is saying, a is equal to b. It is saying a equals to b. So because this is 20 and this is also 20. All right. So now check what is the difference between double equals to and triple equals to. If I say triple equals to, when I am saying triple equals to, so it is checking values. Means a value is 20, b value is also 20. But apart from value, it is also checking one extra thing, which is data type. It is also checking data type. A data type is numeric, means number, and B data type is string. So both data type same or different? Both data type are different because this is number and this is string. Value are equal, but data type are not equal. So this triple equal to check data type also. So means this condition is false. Means both data types are not true. Value is true, but data types are not true. So which statement will execute now? This alert or this alert? Because condition is false, so this alert will execute. A is not equal to B. Let me save it and let's refresh the page and check. So what it is saying, A is not equal to B, right? So this extra equal to is for checking data type, right? We are writing triple equals to means one extra equal to, that is for checking data type. If I say both are like string, so now see, value is same, both value is same, both data type is also same. Now which statement will execute? This alert will execute. A is equal to B. Okay, this will not execute, right? So let me go here and let me refresh the page. So what is the result now? A is equal to B. Why? Because data type is also same. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss, like from the next video, we will discuss conditional and looping statement. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.